Hi, my name is Steve Coleman from StreamWeaver, and today we're going to talk about how easy it could be to integrate data from all your IT tools into tools like Splunk or other operations management tools. So here is the StreamWeaver UI. On the left, you see some sources that are already defined. On the right, you can see Splunk as a destination. But what we're going to do today is create a new integration between Microsoft Azure and Splunk. Here is my source. This is my Microsoft Azure. And here you can see my destination, which is Splunk. And you can see that the index for Azure is empty. We're going to do this integration from scratch, from beginning to end. So let's go back to the StreamWeaver UI. Now, if you were going to do this by hand, you'd have to research APIs, you would have to write some code, and you'd never have to maintain that code. And then, of course, the vendor would go away and rewrite the APIs, and you'd have to fix that very quickly. Instead of doing all that, all you've got to do is click on the wizard, and we choose our source. We enter in our connection information, which is securely stored. Now we enter our destination. I'm going to create a new Splunk connection. Again, we enter our connection information. StreamWeaver has automatically detected that for this particular source, only events are available. Other sources would also provide metrics and topology. StreamWeaver has automatically filled in the recommended defaults. But if you want to change it, you can see that it's dynamically gone to the source and given you a set of fields to select from. This makes filtering much easier. So in the case of Splunk, we're just going to tell it which index to put it on. And now all we've got to do is click Save and Start. And that's it. Your integration is complete. So let's go across to Splunk and have a look at the data arriving. So let's just refresh that index. So now we can see some data arriving from Microsoft Azure. So in just a couple of minutes, I've integrated from Microsoft Azure to Splunk. Just imagine if it was that easy to do it in your environment. If you're interested in StreamWeaver, it's available on SaaS, AWS, or on-prem. You can start your trial at streamweaver.com or search for us on the AWS Marketplace.